This question says the angles which a vector I plus j plus root 2k makes with x, y and z axis are respectively. So what is the vector? Vector is I plus j plus root 2k. This is what is vector. Now how do I find the angles that it make with various axes? Now let's say I take this x, y, z and I'll try to understand how do they look in 3 dimensions. Now I'll take one of them as x-axis. Let's say I take this as the horizon. Let's say this is x and this is y and this is z. Now let's say this is the vector. Now let's say it makes an angle alpha with z-axis. Then I can say, if the vector's length is L, I can say cos alpha equal to how much? Z by L, right? Or Z equal to how much? L cos alpha. This is how we get it. So otherwise, what is Z? Z can be written as Lz, that is component of along Z, L along Z axis. So the component along that particular axis by the magnitude of the vector will give me the cosine of the angle that the vector makes with the particular axis. Now let's come to ijk. Now what is ax here? That is, if I take this as vector as a, then what is ax? Ax is coefficient of I, so I can write 1i. Similarly, what is ay? Ay equal to 1j. And what is az? Az equal to root 2k. Now if it makes an angle alpha with x-axis, then I can write cos alpha would be equal to ax by a. So what is ax? 1. What is a? Under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus root 2 square. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. 1 by root 4 is 2. 1 by 2. So if it is 1 by 2, alpha would be equal to how much? 60 degrees. Similarly, let's find if it makes an angle beta with the y-axis, then cos beta would be equal to 1 by 2 again. So beta is also equal to 60 degrees. Now let's come to the third part. What is it? Z-axis. Now here I'll write z-axis. Z-axis I can write cos gamma equal to, what is z component? Root 2 by, what is the total magnitude? 2. So I have cos gamma equal to 1 by root 2. Cos gamma is how much? 1 by root 2. So what is gamma? Gamma equal to 45 degrees. So my answer should be 60, 60 and 45. 60, 60 and 45. That is option C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.